Hello, my name is Lily.
Ellie White
and Violet. We searched about rainforest and now let's talk about the type of them. One is tropical rainforest and the another one is temperate rainforest. First, it is about tropical rainforest. It is hot and humid biome which suffer more organisms than any other places in the earth. There is 4 layers in rainforest. There are first floor, understory, canopy, and emergent layer. Next is temperate rainforest. It is a biome with a lots of rain and fall. It has a mild winter and cool summer. But now, let's look about climate and location of rainforest.
First, let's talk about the rainforest. First, let's talk about the climate of rainforest. The temperate rainforest is around 80 Fahrenheit. It is 26 Celsius. Tropical rainforest is usually hot and humid. On the other hand, temperate rainforest is a biome with a lot of precipitation, fog, and a cool climate, and also has mild winter and cool summers. Now let's find about where is rainforest in Earth. Africa, Southeast Asia, and South America has tropical rainforest, and North, South America, and Southwest Asia has tropical rainforest, a temperate rainforest. And we will look about animals and their adaptations.
Let's look about some plants and animals' adaptation. In the rainforest, we will look about 2 to 3 types of them. First, it is red poison frog. Its color is bright and red, so easy to caught by predator, so it has a poison to protect itself. Next, it is chameleon. Its adaptation is camouflage. It can change its color by itself, so it can protect. Finally, it is spider monkey. It lives through the tree, so its tail is developed to hang on the tree. For the last, we will listen about interesting facts and fun activities for visitors.
First, I will talk about interesting fact. First, in Earth, 6% of surface is rainforest, however 50% of organisms live there. Next, 250 cm to 450 cm of precipitation a year at there. Finally, 80% of plants in Australian rainforests are not found anywhere in the world.
Next, it is about funny activities. There is 5 things we can do at there. They are hiking, native community touring, helicopter tour, scuba diving, and snorkeling. First, hiking is that we can breathe the clear air when we were walking the rainforest. Second, native community touring is we can meet people that live in the rainforest. Third, helicopter tour is we can see the rainforest up in the sky. Fourth, scuba diving is we can dive into the water. Lastly, snorkeling is we can see the fish inside the water.
I think having a travel to the rainforest will be very funny, and I suggest you guys to go to have a travel for a rainforest. For last, we will have a mini quiz, and people who got a question correct will get a mint chocolate. First question: talk more than 2 layers in rainforest. More than 2. We talked. Layers.
3.
Layers. Then we will change the question. Second, what season do temperature rainforest have? Peter.
Summer and winter.
More. There is
4.
no. There is more detail. Jay.
A lot of summer and winter.
No. 5.
Wet season and dry season.
No. The answer is mild winter and cool summer. Mild winter.
Mild.
Next, talk any one interesting facts of rainforest. Peter.
Interesting facts.
Very funny activity. Interesting facts.
lots of trees.
Harvard.
Many water.
Or we will change all.
Usually wet and dry. Wet.
We will change the question very easy. Talk three all of animals what I talk. Albert.
Tiger, chameleon.
No. Next, say
Monkey. Leopard.
no,
Monkey, leopard, snake.
no.
No.
It's funny.
Spider, monkey, leopard.
No,
Me, monkey. Snake.
no,
Me. Monkey, leopard, and chameleon.
no. Like 5, 4, 3. Peter.
Monkey, leopard.
No.
No leopard.
Easy.
Monkey, leopard, spider.
No.
Monkey, kangaroo.
No. Say.
Monkey, chameleon, and gecko.
Kai.
Monkey, frog, and the kangaroo.
Correct. Then, next, top 5 all fun activities. Peter.
Helicopter.
And other and
Oh,
2 to 3 were. Hi.
scuba diving, snorkeling, helicopter.
Correct.
Cycle.
Then
Let's
these were the researches of us about rainforest. Thank you for listening to us.